Need to change your iPhone screenshot type? This 60-second guide shows how on iOS 26. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap the search bar at the top and type the word screenshot. Select the screenshot settings entry from the results list. Under screenshot type, choose the format you want: PNG, JPEG, or HEIC. Tap your preferred format to set it as the default for future screenshots. Optionally toggle Save to Photos or Copy to Clipboard for quick sharing. If you need smaller files, pick JPEG or HEIC. PNG keeps full quality but is larger. Take a screenshot now to preview the new format and check file details in Photos. You can also change screenshot behavior per app from that app's settings if available. Recap: open Settings, search Screenshot, pick PNG, JPEG, or HEIC, and confirm Preview in Photos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tricks.